Halos are a shoulder mobility exercise, and it's performed in either the seated or standing position using a single dumbbell. For the setup, we're just going to make sure we have a good seat here, butts in the saddle, feet out in front, really plant to the ground. That's our stable base. And I'm going to grab the dumbbell by the ends here. So just grasping the two ends. And we're going to start. I want you to start by putting your hands, your arms nice and straight above you. And then just drop that one shoulder. So I want you to be in this position right here. So my right elbow is out and the left elbow is out to the side. So out in front, out to the side. And I'm going to show you the movement first and then I'll explain. So from here, I'm going to take this dumbbell and just rotate it around my head. I'm making halos around my head. So you see how the shoulder is moving in every direction here, front to back. Good way to think about this is I'm combing my hair back with my forearm, and then I'm combing my hair forward with my other forearm. So combing back, combing forward. And we want the weight moving around our head. We don't want to move our head around. We want that, keep that chin tucked, good tall posture as always, keeping that chest up, shoulders back. I'm going to move this to the other side. So you don't have to move it. You just need to switch the direction. We're just going to switch that direction, going the other way around. So combing my hair forward, combing my hair back. I'm keeping that weight really close to my head here. As you see, it's like really close to my ear. It goes right behind my head. It goes to the other ear and comes right in front of my eyes. So really keep that nice and tight. My shoulders are really working here. This is a light weight, but just getting that rotation and switch it up. Really working those shoulder mobility, really working it. And for speed, I'm going a little quicker now. Once you get that rhythm down, you can go a little quicker. But to start off, go nice and slow, thinking about that rotation.